who has the guts and the power to and the alphaness to wear a sari, dance in a sari, do an action in a sari?
உனக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டு விக்ரம் தெரியுமா?